for the hot seat.
Okay.
I'm totally unprepared.
Do you promise to tell the
usual.
truth, the whole truth, and your version of the truth? Answer as many questions in the least amount of time as fast as you can.
I do.
By the dawn's
All right.
early light.
BW, do you have your hot sheet for
I think we
Bruce?
should do BW
This is-
because he's the
He's
expert.
nervous.
We should
Next
do
section.
him. Okay.
How do you spell Caitlin?
K-A-T-L-Y-N. You know I spell.
It's
I have a horrible spell. I have a horrible spell.
K-A-I-T-L-Y-N.
Are you related to Bruce Springsteen?
I wish.
Why does Too Short want people to let you hit it?
Because
Bruce
I'm great,
Bruce hit
man.
it.
I'm bad. I'm bad.
How tall are you?
6'1.5".
Could you ever dunk?
Yeah, I did dunk.
When?
I could
Do you
dunk.
have
I could
pictures?
dunk.
On who?
I dunked the baby nets. Yeah.
Oh.
No, I could.
The
could
baby on a
I could-
on a 10-foot
No,
goal.
I could get up this far and I could get it down. It looked like a modified dunk. I'm a jumper. I did high jumping.
Modified
Do you
down.
have
I'm gonna
pictures?
take
I'm
that
a
as
high
a no.
jumper in high school.
I'm gonna
Baby.
pictures?
I'm gonna mark no.
I was track and field.
He doesn't
baby.
have pictures, it
Played
didn't have.
tennis.
I'm marking
played
no.
tennis.
The answer's no.
Watch this back
Do you wear
swing.
short shorts to the gym?
I used to.
Do you even lift, bro?
Oh, I pump, baby. Look at this right here.
How much
That
do you,
is power.
How much
right
do you do
there.
on the Thigh Master?
I do my weight. That's what I do. I pump my weight.
What is that?
Yeah, 240.
When's the last time you wore a lip sweater?
Never.
This Halloween, will you go as Gordy Bunch?
I'm gonna go as Gordy Bunch this Halloween.
Is that Dracula?
We're gonna
He's
have
in.
a special Halloween
in.
edition. I'm gonna be Gordy Bunch.
the Bunch family?
Bunch got roasted last night at the township meeting. Oh my
he
God!
did. We'll have
the
to hear
Golden
about it.
Hammer, Nancy
you're on the
Martin
hot seat.
from.
Yeah,
oh,
you're on the
sorry,
hot
sorry.
seat.
What's one thing people don't know about you that you want them to know?
I'm a lover.
How many amendments are there?
27.
You're
Nice.
welcome. How many active amendments are there?
Ooh.
27.
Nope, 25.
25.
What do
How,
you mean active?
how many
Did they do
years
away
after the
with
cut? He
Jeez.
peeled Pro-Bish.
Oh,
how
of
many years
course,
after the
yeah.
Constitution was the First Amendment passed?
Say again.
How many years after the Constitution was the First Amendment passed?
Year.
Yes.
What amendments make up the Bill of Rights?
First 12.
What year?
What is it? How many?
10.
Oh,
What year was the Bill of Rights passed?
18. No. Okay, you got me.
1789.
I was 17. See, I was going to go back to that. I went 18, 12, 17, 89. Got it.
We
Hey, I'm
average
not
one
doing too
amendment-
bad. I'm not doing bad at all.
We average. Wait. We average one amendment every.
How many
How many
years?
years between each amendment?
How many years?
What's the average amount of time between each amendment?
5 years.
15 and a half.
15 and a half, really?
What's the longest time between amendments?
20 and a half.
61 years.
61?
Shortest.
Which one was that?
12th and 13th, 1804 to 1865.
Oh, yeah. I remember those. Yeah.
What's the shortest one?
5.
1 year.
1 year.
How long was
Okay.
Prohibition?
2 years, I think.
14 years.
Was it
14 years.
14?
When
Are
did it
you
end?
kidding me?
When did it end?
1920. No, it started 20, right? 1920. It ended in 1935?
33.
33?
Really
Okay.
close.
How long have African Americans been able to vote?
That was 18 something. 1865?
70.
1870.
1870.
Okay.
Rights
War,
established
the war
since
ended in
150
65,
years ago.
1870. Yes.
How long have women had the right to vote?
1900.
Do you think that's a problem?
1900 on. Oh, hell yeah. I think back and I just go, what were we thinking back then? I read some of these Supreme Court
1920,
decisions.
101 years.
Yeah,
How long
I
have
look back.
18-year-olds been able to vote?
I'll tell you that because I was drafted for the Vietnam War,
And you
and
couldn't
I
vote?
was 18, and
Are
I
you a
couldn't
draft
drink,
dodger?
and I couldn't drink. No, I registered for the draft. I couldn't drink, and I couldn't vote. How about that? So they moved it back to 18. So everybody said, if I'm going to go to Vietnam and I'm going to fight for my country and may die for my country, I better be able to have a can of beer and vote.
That was
For the
50 years
president.
ago.
Yes.
When was the
Is
last
that how long
amendment?
ago it is? 50 years.
When was the
Holy-
last amendment
The last amendment?
passed?
That would be 65?
92.
92.
92, which one?
What's
27th Amendment
what's the-
regarding
congressional pay? 202 years to pass it.
Oh,
what's
those
the
bastards.
what's the fastest
Congressional pay. How did they slip that in?
fastest ever ratified? How long to ratify?
I'd say a year.
101 days.
101
101
days.
days. So that's less than 365. Wow. Yeah,
What's the
Slowest.
slowest?
it is. The slowest is, I'd say 3 years.
202 years.
202
Oh,
years.
so it's all done within a year.
The 1992 amendment
Oh,
wasn't-
this is perfect.
was presented in 1789.
Okay, good deal.
How many unratified amendments are there?
I don't know.
There's 6.
6 unratified amendments.
Yeah.
Should we make an
That
amendment?
didn't get ratified by all the states.
Right.
Right.
They're just hanging out there.
They're hanging.
Yeah.
Okay. So those never passed because you have to have 2/3 of the states that pass the amendments. Correct.
Last amendment question, Brandon.
How many more amendments of Deshaun Masseuse lawsuits are there?
How many more
I
amendments?
just read.
Which is more, amendments or Deshaun Watson masseuse lawsuits?
Deshaun Watson lawsuits. He may be going to Miami. Just read that, but
Yeah.
he's got a few more lingering out there. The criminal investigation is still hanging, and I don't know why he needs so many massages.
Yeah, why does he?
Yeah, yeah.
That was
Yeah.
your last question.